Installing MetaTrader 4 on Windows 8. Open the browser of your choice and navigate to robotforex.com. Each broker has its own version of MetaTrader platform, and it's best to download the version of MetaTrader coming from the broker of your choice. This will ensure that the best servers are used to communicate with the broker. Click on MetaTrader 4, then click on the Download MetaTrader 4 button for PC. There are mobile apps as well for mt4, but to use the automatic trading robot you will need to install the platform on a PC. Choose to run the app and follow the installation procedure. After you click on the Finish button, the MT4 platform gets launched. Make sure the server name coincides with the type of account you're using. For now, I will log into the demo server using the credential I have obtained on the previous step. On the navigator window on the left, you should see your account logged in, and on the trade window, you should see the balance that's available in your account. That's all for installing MetaTrader 4 on Windows 8.